Welcome to 77 Salola Lane, located on one of my favorite streets in Dynasty Falls, just up the mountain from Brevard, North Carolina. If you're looking for a pristine, move-in ready, one-level living home with easy access to hiking and country club amenities, I may have the house for you. Let's take a look. This home was built in 2006 and it's been used infrequently as a vacation getaway. The occasional usage coupled with the meticulous nature of these owners gives the impression this home is brand new. And all you have to do is pack your clothes because the furniture is negotiable as well. With 3 beds and 3 baths on the main floor, this is an incredibly easy living one-level floor plan. And it also has a bonus room and a media room downstairs. My favorite feature is this light-filled living room that flows so easily into the kitchen and out onto the screen porch. This is an excellent location in Dynasty. For a great hike, the Salola trail system is right down the road. The clubhouse is also very close, so it's easy to pop over to the pool, the pickleball courts, or stop in for a burger at the bar and grill. This home is the perfect place for easy living in the mountains. So make an appointment today to see 77 Salola Lane and see what your life could look like in Dynasty Falls.